लाइव है? लाइव हो गया? Hey guys, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the session from BYJU'S on MH-CET preparation on abstract reasoning. Guys, this is the fourth session. We're going to look at a few more questions, and today's questions are all new. We haven't taken any of these in the previous sessions. They are a little bit trickier too. So we will delve right into it. We are going to get into the questions without any theory, because we already know that abstract reasoning does not have too much of theory to discuss. It's all about looking at patterns, understanding and recognizing patterns. So we have done that in the previous three classes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the problem solving for today. So I have the first set of problems for you. So please take a look at this. And in fact, there's an instruction here. So please read the instructions first and then start looking at the solutions. So there are figures followed by answer figures. There is a certain common characteristic properties between the two problem figures. So there is some pattern between the two problem figures that you have to first identify the pattern. Then you have to select a figure from among the answers which shows similar pattern. Okay, so that's the idea. So you have somehow this is related. These two parts, left and right, are related. Similarly, you have to pick an option that has a same kind of a relation. So that is the question over here. Let's go ahead and see what the correct answer is. Very good. I'm already getting some answers. Very good. The correct answer happens to be option B. So let us see why is the correct answer option B. First, what is happening here? You have a circle, a Z and a single line. This single line is becoming a double line. So you can see everywhere it is all double line. So all options have double line. So that is not at all a problem. Now what happens? You can see Z is going inside. The circle is coming outside. So whatever is on the top is going inside, whatever is in the middle is going on, is enclosing, which means this plus should go inside. The plus should go inside, but here if you notice this is becoming an X, not a plus. So that is the reason why the orientation has changed, so that is not correct. This X is going as it is. So when this X goes inside the rectangle, this is what you're going to get. So this could be correct. Keep it open. Let's take a look at what is happening here. The circle is becoming a rhombus, which is not correct. So C is wrong. What about D? Pentagon is remaining a pentagon, but this plus should be a plus, but there are multiple lines, so hence incorrect. Now what about this? Here, if you look at it, it should have been like this. So this line is missing. Had this, and also look at this. This is reverse. It's supposed to be like this, but we have this line over here. So hence E is also rejected. Therefore, correct answer is option B. Simple. Okay. Another question, very interesting. Try to see and give me the answer to this. All right, I'm getting answers. Some of you are saying D, some of you are saying B. Of course, A also. None of you for C and E. Okay, let's see what the correct answer is. Let's identify what has happened here. First, you can see that this is the orientation. It has now become like this. So what is in this direction went this. So what is the change? This is becoming like this. So this is a 90-degree change. Counterclockwise. 90-degree counterclockwise. Oh, sorry, clockwise. 90-degree clockwise. So your answer should also be 90-degree clockwise, but that is not all. Had it been only 90 degrees clockwise, then this shape will become like this. and then how will this be? Like this. It'll be like this, but you can clearly see that is not it. So just by rotation are you getting the answer? No. So first there is a rotation, second there is a mirror image. If I put a mirror and now take the figure, I will get what I want, and which is this figure. So there are two things that are happening. One, clockwise rotation. First step is clockwise rotation by 90 degrees. Second step is mirror image. So the relation between these two parts is clockwise rotation by 90 degrees and mirror image. Now we'll have to see which of these options will give you the same answer. So if you look at option B, let's see if this is being rotated. So this is the arrow. 90 degrees to the right, it becomes like this, which means you will get two lines like this and like this. Now if I put a mirror image, I am supposed to get a solid line here and a dotted line here, and this is supposed to be your answer. But if you look at it, the dotted line is lower and the solid line is on the top, but here the solid line is supposed to be below and the dotted line, so solid line to the left, dotted line to the right, had it been the mirror image. So this is not correct. You're getting the idea? So if you try to do that for A, you will see that A is correct. So you can try to rotate it by 90 degrees and then do a reflection. You are going to get option A. Clear? Now why is this wrong? This is wrong because when you take it 90 degrees, like this will be colored and this will be open. Now if I take a mirror image, I will get this side colored and this side open. Whereas here you can see right side is the black one. So D is also wrong. Similarly, your C is also wrong. So correct answer happens to be option A. Again, as I said, these are slightly trickier than the previous class questions. And somebody was asking me in the previous class, sir, the answers are very easy. As I said, there is a slow, gradual increase in the difficulty level. Today's questions are not difficult, they are not easy either. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the next question. Now, once again, we have a problem in front of you. Let us see what the correct answer is. This is an easy one. Almost everyone should get the correct answer. Yeah, very good. So many of you are giving the correct answer. So you can see that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 petals. So you need an answer with 6 petals. This is not the answer. This is not your answer. This is not your answer. This is not your answer. Clearly, you will be looking at B. You don't even have to look at the coloring. Forget about the coloring. Just going by the number of petals, you'll get the correct answer. Straight away, done. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Again, this is an easy one, not a very difficult question. So let's see how many of you get the correct answer for this. Well, many of you got the correct answers this time. Not a very difficult question at all. So here, 0 triangles, 2 triangles, 6 triangles, 8 triangles. So the number of triangles are 0, 2, 6, 8. What is missing? 4 triangles. So your answer should have 4 triangles, which is clearly figure number 1. Therefore, option A. Very simple. This is not at all difficult. Question number 5. Let's see. This is a tricky one. Let's see how many of you get the correct answer. So now you are looking at figure number 1, figure number 2, figure number 3, figure number 4, figure number 5. What should be the 6th figure? Pattern continuation. What should be the 6th figure? That's the question. Well, I'm getting answers all over the place. you're giving all, I mean A, B, C, D, all answers have come, I believe. Let's see what the correct answer is. How is it going? So first you need to understand how is the movement happening. So you can see these are, so typically there are how many positions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 positions here. First understand that there are 8 positions. Now if there are 8 positions, you can see this position is moving by one place. The symbol is changing, we'll come to the symbol later. Then this is moving by one place. Then this is moving by one more place. This is going up by one place, which means logically speaking the next one should be going up here. So I should be getting a L shape. There should be 3 things here and 2 things here. That's how it's supposed to be. So there should be, my bad, let me rewrite. So there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how it should be. And clearly all of them are fitting the same description. Unfortunately, I can't eliminate any answers. All options are like that. Great. Now let's look at how the symbols are changing. Now when this is coming down, first what is happening is the opposite one to this is a circle. So the circle is coming here. The opposite one, circle, is coming. Okay. So first let's draw that. Let's write only one change at a time. So T, S, C, and you have a thing over here and this. So now first what happened? Everything is getting pushed by one. So this will come here, this will come here, this will come here, this will come here, this will go here. But in fact, let's put it this way. These two got interchanged. So this is not coming here. These two got interchanged. So what will happen? Circle is here at the bottom. C, S, T, and a rectangle. So circle is matching. Circle is matching, right? And the rectangle is matching. So circle is matching, rectangle is matching. Now what happened? What else has happened? We can see that this corner S is gone. S is not there at all. So this corner, so this one got changed. So that S became a triangle. And what else happened? These two interchanged. So the middle one, so remember, if these are 5, the middle one is S. The middle one got eliminated and the last two got interchanged and the middle two got exchanged. Middle two also got exchanged. So basically the middle two and the last two got exchanged and the exact center one, the midpoint got replaced. That is the logic. So let us see, am I getting the same? Oh, sorry. Where are we? I think we are here somewhere. So let us see, if I apply the same logic, can I move from here to here? So let me apply the logic. First, what is opposite to this circle? Opposite to the circle is here, triangle. Opposite to the circle is triangle. So the triangle is coming over here. So let's put it that way. So when you're moving here, so the triangle, so you have a rectangle, a C, a triangle, a T, and a circle. Okay. So what is opposite to here? So the opposite here, there's nothing here. So the only other thing opposite here is a circle. So sorry, a triangle. So triangle is coming in the front. Is that how it is? Okay, so you're putting the triangle over here. Then there is a circle here. Then the third one. So you're supposed to give a triangle, a circle, and the T, C, and rectangle. This is how it's supposed to be. Now what is the middle? What is the middle point? The middle point is T. So the middle point is supposed to be replaced. So T is gone. So you can see T is replaced by U. T is replaced by U, and these two this time got interchanged. So you can see rectangle came here and C came here. Once again, let's go forward and apply the same concept for the last one from here to here. So this is going forward, which means when this is going up, first of all, this circle will come here, right? Circle will come there and you will have a star in the circle's place. And this C is supposed to get replaced. So C should not be there. Z should be here. Oh, my bad. Just let's see, I think. Oh, there's some error in this because the logic is not fitting continuously. Okay guys, I think there is an error in this. The logic which we are using, what happened from here to here, is not matching from here to here. So let's leave this and move on to the next question. Okay, try this. This is a simple one. Try the question number 6. So here the orientation is simple. Left leaning, right leaning, left leaning, right leaning, left leaning. The next one should be right leaning. Right leaning means this is gone, this is gone. So there are 3 options, B, C and D. Now which one will it be? Right? B, C, D, which one will it be? So that's where your question lies. You can see that this and this did not interchange. These two interchanged and these two interchanged. Correct? That's what happened. Right? So that's how you got this. So the first and last did not change. The penultimate ones, penultimate means last but one, top and bottom interchanged, and the middle ones also interchanged. That's how you got the second image. Now again, right leaning became left leaning, and this time what happened? Everything went, so everything changed. So it's a cyclical order. So this has come here, 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 and circle has come in the place of a square. So basically everything moved in a cyclical order, and that's how you got this. Now to go from here to here, once again, basically what happened? You change it to the right, you change it to the right, and you can see the first, when you change it to the right, the first and the last did not interchange. So here also you can see that the first and the last did not interchange, but what interchanged? The star and the 1, and U and the triangle, they got interchanged. That's how we got triangle on the top, U at the bottom now, and this star came down and that 1 went up. Now again you're going from right to left. When you're going from right to left, everything is moving in cyclical order. So this is going here, this is coming here, this is coming here, this is coming here, this is coming here, and this is coming here. So when you're moving from right to left, everything is going one step lower, and the bottommost is coming to the top. When you're going from left to right, there is interchanging happening. That's the logic. Now I have to go from left to right. When I have to go from left to right, my first and last will remain the same. So out of B, C and D, first and last is same. So this is not correct. You can see this and this and this both are same. And then what else should happen? The penultimate ones should be interchanged. So these two should interchange and these two should interchange. Which means my triangle should be coming above my 1. So the triangle is below 1, my triangle should come above 1, and 1 should come below the triangle. Therefore D is gone, B is correct. So here you needed to observe the pattern, and the pattern should be consistent. That is where the problem happened in the previous question. The pattern was not consistent. So some error was there in the image. But anyway, let's move forward. This is a very simple one, guys. Very simple question. Give me an answer in like few seconds. Very straightforward. Okay, very good. So you have a bottom, then moving right, top, so anti-clockwise you're moving, then left, and after you come to left, you're not going bottom, you're again going top. So you started the anti-clockwise here. So anti-clockwise you started, then after 4, the 5th one became clockwise. So now it should be like this. So first you have anti-clockwise, you finished all the positions. Now once you finish all the positions, you will start clockwise. So the next one is supposed to be option C. Simple. Okay, question number 8. Once again, a pattern recognition. Identify the pattern and tell me what the answer should be. This should be a simple one. Many of you should be getting the correct answer. Well, the correct answer, yes, happens to be option C3. Why? So first let's go from here to here, the first to the second. What is happening? It is cyclical movement. This is coming here, this is coming here, this is coming here. Similarly, U is going here, C is coming here, D is coming here. So cyclical movement of the left column and the right column. You got your second figure. Now to go from second to third, what is happening? You are just interchanging. You are just interchanging. So interchanging means this column is coming here, this column is coming here. That's it. Nothing else is happening. So first to second, cyclical order movement. Second to third, interchanging. Then if you go from third to fourth, now you will notice again it is cyclical order. So C is going in place of D, D is coming in place of U, and U is coming in place of C. Rectangle is going here, triangle is coming here, and your star should come here. Okay, that's what has happened. So this basically came here. Sorry, my bad. Okay, let me change this. So this triangle has been pushed up, the star came down, and the rectangle came down. D has been pushed up, U has been brought to C, and C has been brought to D. That's how we got this. Now, so remember, first to second, it is cyclical. Second to third movement is swapping. Third to fourth is again cyclical. So fourth to fifth should be swap. So it is alternately cyclical and swapping, or cyclical and swapping. So which means I should be getting DUC triangle, star, and rectangle. So where is that? That is there in your option number 3. Okay, it's there in your option number 3. Next question, question number 9. Identify the pattern. This is again an easy one, not very difficult. So you have arrows facing up, facing left, facing down, facing right, facing up. So basically what is happening? This is anti-clockwise 90 degree movement. So anti-clockwise, counterclockwise. So when you're going from figure 1 to figure 2, you are counterclockwise 90. Then again counterclockwise 90. Which means if I go from here to here, I should be having, so this is straight up. So now I should be getting a figure which is where everything is facing to the left. Everything is facing to the left. Unfortunately, all figures are facing to the left. So that analysis is of no use to me. What else then? So that analysis is of no use. Let's not worry about it. Let's erase this. Now let's take a look at what is happening here. So when this moved from top to left, what happened here? This came here. Ideally, when you just rotate it, what is supposed to happen? You're supposed to get this at the top, then this arrow here, then this thing here, then you're supposed to have like this. But is that the pattern? No. What happened? This came down, this went up, and now basically this part came down and this part went up. And these two, so these two got interchanged. So basically what happens when you do this, this is supposed to be a circle here, and this is supposed to be like this. And now there are two things at the top. This is at the top and this is at the top. Now that also didn't stop there. You can see these two are also not correct. They got interchanged. So two things happened in the moving from 1 to 2. Actually, three things happened. Everything shifted left. First thing, that is rotated left counterclockwise. Second, the topmost came to the bottom. Bottommost was pushed one step up, and the remaining two got interchanged. That is the pattern. Which means here, when I go from here to here, first let me draw the first step. Everything should be going oriented towards left. So I will, if I orient everything towards left, this is what I'll get. Now what should I do? I should bring the topmost to the bottom, and the bottom one should go one step ahead. So if I do that, I will get this here, then I will get this x here, and this is taken care of, this is taken care of, rather, sorry. This is taken care of, this is taken care of. These two should interchange. Interchange means I'll get a circle here and I'll get a triangle here. Which option is like this? That is option number A. So you should identify the pattern, and the same pattern is being repeated now. So therefore the correct answer is option A. Clear? Question number 10. Let's see what the correct answer is. It's an interesting one. Very well. So here all squares are there, nothing is missing. So 0 missing. When you go from here to here, you can see two lines are missing. What two lines are missing? These two lines are missing. So two lines are missing. When you go from here to here, how many lines are missing? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 lines are missing. When you go from here to here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lines are missing. When I go from here to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 lines are missing. So 2, 5, 7, 11 are all prime numbers. However, remember prime number 3 is missing. Prime number 3 is missing. But I have a series of prime numbers. So I have to look as a prime number. So the next prime number, just a moment guys. So the next prime number is either 13 or 17. So let's take a look at, do I have 13 or 17? This is ruled out first of all. Why? Because every time the missing pieces are from one square or other squares are completely gone. You don't have half and half missing. So this is gone. Now the others could be possible. So let's take a look at what is missing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is 15 missing. 15 is not a prime number. So A is gone. If you look at B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 lines missing, not a prime number. Now again 12 plus 1, 13. 13 could be your answer, but let's verify. This is anyway gone. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 3 is 12. In fact, this entire thing is missing. So 4 4s are 16. 16 is not a prime number. So this is also gone. So correct answer is option C. Right? So here the pattern is about number of missing lines. Clear? Let's look at question number 11. So you are looking at what should come next from these answer options. These are the answer options. Which one should come next? A, B, C, D, E. What is F? Alright, so let's take a look at what is happening here. So when you're going from A to B, first these two got interchanged. I'm not looking at orientation, just the interchanging. When I'm going from B to C, these two got interchanged. These two got interchanged. When I'm going from C to D, now which things got interchanged? These two got interchanged. Right? Now when I'm going from D to E, once again these two got interchanged. So basically figure 1, figure 2 interchange, then figure 2, figure 3 interchange, then figure 1, figure 3 interchange, then again figure 1 and 2 interchange. So if I go from E to F, then these two should be interchanged. So I should have a circle, a rectangle and a triangle. So circle, rectangle and triangle. This is incorrect, this is incorrect, this is incorrect. Or, oh sorry, my bad. D to E, already these two interchange has happened. Now, so basically E to F should be interchange between 2 and 3. So remember, 1 and 2 interchange, 2 and 3 interchange, 1 and 3 interchange. Then again 1 and 2 interchange, the next should be 2 and 3 interchange. 2 and 3 interchange means, this is not correct, this these two should interchange. So which means circle, triangle and a square or rectangle, whatever you call it. So circle, triangle and square, circle, triangle, square, everywhere this is wrong. In fact, so let me put it here, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 2. So the next should be 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 means these two interchange, which means circle will remain, triangle will be here and a rectangle will be here. So circle, triangle, rectangle, where do we not have? So this is incorrect. Others are options. Now we'll have to look at the orientation. So let's start looking at the orientation now. In the orientation, when this got interchanged, 1 and 2 got interchanged, this turned anti-clockwise, counterclockwise, right? The triangle, you can see it turned to the left, and this also turned counterclockwise. So you can see it was facing left, now it is facing down, which means from left it has come down. So whatever interchanged, they moved counterclockwise, and the one that remained as it is, that moved in the clockwise direction. You can see facing right, now it is facing down. From right it has come down, so clockwise. Once again, let's take a look at from B to C. From B to C, you can see 2 and 3 got interchanged. So when 2 and 3 got interchanged, this is moving from down. So this became like this. So from here to here, that is basically again counterclockwise movement. It was looking down, now it is looking to the right, so counterclockwise. And the circle, look at what happened to the circle. The circle also was like this. Now it has become, it was like this. Now it has become like this. So it was also having the black down, it is moved black to the right. So that is also counterclockwise. Whereas the thing which is left as it is, this triangle became straight up. Straight up means it is moving from this. Okay, I have to draw the triangle correctly. This position to this position, which means it has moved clockwise. So whenever things are interchanging, they are moving clockwise, counterclockwise. The left out thing is moving clockwise, which means 2 and 3 here should move counterclockwise, and this should move clockwise. So 1 is this. So this is what I have. This should move clockwise. So this should become like this. So 2 is ruled out. Okay. What else? Now this triangle should move counterclockwise. Triangle should move counterclockwise means if it is looking up, this should become like this. So this is gone. This may be true. This may be true. Okay. So you can see this part is same for both. Now the only difference is this one. This should also move in the counterclockwise. So counterclockwise means it is like this. Now this counterclockwise should become like this. Therefore, this is gone and this is correct. Option A is the correct answer. This is a bit tricky. You have to observe which ones are swapping, and after swapping, how are they moving. and what is not swapping and which way is it moving. So this is a bit tricky. If you've got it, great. Another question, easy one. This is an easy question. Go ahead, take a look at this. Give me an answer. All right. So let's see what is happening here. The triangle has come and become double. The circle has gone here and this shape has vanished, and in place of a circle you got a new symbol. Once again, take a look at it. This hexagon is going here. The circle is coming to the center and doubling up. That's what you got. Circle is doubling up. And this triangle is basically vanishing, and in the place of a triangle you are getting a square. So basically the hexagon went here. In place of hexagon you are getting a new one. The circle is coming to the center. When something is coming to the center, it is doubling, and in the place of hexagon you are getting a new thing. So now if you go by that logic, this should come here, which means you'll have two cylinders. You'll have two cylinders like this. Okay, this cone will come here. The cone will come here means you'll be getting a cone here, and a new symbol should be here. Some new symbol. What is a new symbol? We'll have to check. So clearly this is wrong. This is wrong. Why? Because this is not there at all. This should be a cone. That is not a cone. This is wrong. Now between B and C, C is wrong. Why is C wrong? Because you have a square coming back. It is B, which is a new symbol. This is supposed to be a new symbol. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. Well, the last question for you guys for the day today. Go ahead and give me the answer to this. The last question is an easy one. Should not be difficult. There could be a potential confusion. Let's see how many of you get the correct answer. Very good, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is a sixth position here. So basically, if I draw this line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there are 6 positions. First time the ball is here, second time the ball is here, third time the ball is here, fourth time the ball is here, fifth time the ball is here, sixth time the ball should be here, which means answer option A, and everything else is wrong. There could be a confusion saying that some of you might think that this is the end, and continuation of that, many of you would have given B also as correct. However, if you look at A, you will notice that this is closer like this. This is as close to this as is possible. Therefore, your A is the correct answer. Alright. So friends, that brings us to the end of the session. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope the questions today were a bit more tricky and difficult compared to the previous sessions. Therefore, you should keep these type of models in mind. You know, counterclockwise rotation, cyclical rotation, swapping, all these combined can also be a question for you. Right? Thank you, my friends. If you really like the session, give me a like, and please be in tune with the channel. That is, stay tuned to your channel, because we're going to come up with a lot of MH-CET and CMAT sessions for you. Thank you, and all the very best in your preparation.